before we get started, we're going to play a little fun game out there. So we're going to see how enthusiastic everybody is. Who out there wants to win $500 cash? Hey, your winner of the $500 cash is the three of diamonds. And she got her right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it's sale time. Hunter, not two, $200 on gonna be two, $100 on gonna be two, now three, and now three there, $400 on gonna be five, $600 on gonna be seven, and now seven is anything, $800, gonna be four, now five, and now 500, dating is six, $600 phone, mating is six. If you wanna go, give 11, now 12, and now 1,200, give 13, and now $1,600 on gonna be 18, thank you for two, and now two there, $2,000, two, and that's 2,200, and now 14, 16, $1,800 on gonna be two, and now $2,000 where then give me two, that's 2,200, give it nine, and now 900 behind you, 900 give half, and now 950, they give me $1,000. Your support today comes through and makes a difference for these families. It helps create memories for these families that they probably would never get the opportunity to have. Number 108 is going to step up and be a first gift giver. Thank you so much right there. There's a community leader. 110 wants to be a $1,000 gift. Thank you so much. Incredible. There's no grants, there's no federal funding, and it's all right here from you folks that show up to this event.